Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close your account on Fyers. So let's get started right away. Now if you open up the Fyers app on your device and check from within, you will not find an option to delete your account. So in order to proceed with deleting it, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Fyers and start your search. Once you find the Fyers application, tap on it and you will see the app support option. Tap on the drop-down menu and now you will find the email address that you can use in order to contact the support team. Tap on this email address and choose your email application, and now you will be taken into the message box. Within the subject section, type in close my account, and then within the main body you can simply type in that you do not wish to use your account anymore and you wish to have it closed. After typing this in, tap on the send button and this will send your email to the support team on Fyers. You will then just need to wait for a few days until you receive a response from the support team, and within this email you will find the steps that you can take in order to delete your account. You can simply follow these steps and have your account closed right away, and there you have it. That is how you can close your account on Fyers. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.